Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating the Ps5 and confirming the controller has charge. This prevents interruptions. Once done, go to Settings, choose Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories to open pairing. Put your headphones, speaker, or adapter into pairing mode now. Press the device's pairing button until an LED blinks or a voice prompt appears. Make sure distance is within 310 meters and there's no heavy Wi-Fi interference. This reduces dropouts and speeds discovery. Keep the controller nearby to accept prompts. You'll see a list of available devices once the Ps5 scans. Look for the exact model name to avoid pairing the wrong gadget. Select that name, and if asked, enter the PIN, commonly 0000 or 1234, then confirm. If the device offers multiple profiles, pick the audio profile that matches usage. For example, hands-free or high-quality stereo. Make sure the Ps5 shows the device as connected. If you have multiple Bluetooth audio devices, set the correct one as the primary output in sound settings. You finish by testing audio and microphone levels in settings, sound, and make adjustments to volume, chat mix, and mic monitoring. If you notice latency or dropouts, make sure no other active Bluetooth connections are competing. You may need to remove and repair the device. As a key troubleshooting tip, if discovery fails, power cycle both the Ps5 and the Bluetooth device, or delete the device from Bluetooth accessories, then retry. This clears lingering profiles and resolves most pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.